Hi, I'm Tasman and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a Botox alternative cream using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. First, log into your account and select the Skin and Hair Care program. Then we're going to select the Oil and Water Cream and then click Create. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select my humectant and I'm going to pick the propane diol. Next I'm going to pick my gum and I'm going to select the Solar Gum Tara. Next I'm going to pick my emulsifiers. First I'm going to select my anionic emulsifier and I'm going to use the Emulsion SG. And next I'm going to select my non-ionic emulsifier and I'm going to pick the Olivum 1000. Next I'm going to pick my oils. I'm going to pick the acai oil, buriti oil, and I'm also going to select the capric and caprylic triglycerides. I've picked these oils because they are exotic and they're also good for dry and mature skin. Next I'm going to select my preservative and today I'm going to pick the Optifin because it is a mild but effective preservative. Next I'm going to select a few essential oils for a nice light fragrance to suit my target market. Next I'm going to pick my actives. First I'm going to select the argireline because it has Botox-like action. It's one of the most important ingredients in this formula. The next active I'm going to select is the Party Face, and I have picked this one because of its immediate and long-term firming effect. Because these actives are so important, I'm going to put them both at 5% each. And last but not least, I'm going to select my antioxidant and I'm just going to pick the tocopherols mix. Now I can click on Generate Method. And there we have now the formula and the method, and now it's time to get into the lab. And that's how easy it is to create a Botox alternative cream. If you liked today's video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and leave any questions in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to the createcosmeticformulas.com so you can make your own creams. Happy formulating!